How to use Genmoji on iPhone. Want to turn your imagination into emojis? With Genmoji on iPhone, now you can. This fun new feature in iOS lets you create personalized emojis using Apple Intelligence, and it only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Genmoji, how to create your own emoji from scratch, and 2 easy ways to use it in messages. First, make sure you've updated to iOS 18.2. Then, open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Inside, you'll see the option to turn on Apple Intelligence. It might take 4 to 5 minutes to set up the first time, so give it a moment to finish downloading everything. Once it's ready, open any app that uses the Apple keyboard, for example, the Messages app. On your keyboard, tap the emoji icon in the bottom left corner. You'll now see a new little rainbow face icon right next to the emoji search bar. That's your Genmoji button. Tap it, and you'll enter the Genmoji creation screen. Now just type what you imagine. For example, try something like penguin wearing sunglasses and eating ice cream. You'll see Apple Intelligence work its magic and generate a few unique emoji-style images that match your description. Swipe left and right to browse your options. Once you find one you like, tap the 3-dot menu in the top corner to copy, share, save to stickers, or even report if it doesn't match what you asked for. To use it, just tap the Genmoji. It'll drop right into your text conversation like a regular emoji. So whether you want a penguin in sunglasses, a cat surfing on pizza, or anything else your brain dreams up, Genmoji lets you bring it to life and use it instantly in your messages. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tech updates.